What if I told you that you can now lock your Windows 11 PC remotely from your Android phone, send files wirelessly, share clipboard, and even mirror your phone screen to your PC, all without installing any beta apps? Microsoft has quietly rolled out a major upgrade to Link to Windows for Android, and in this video, I'll show you what's new, how it works, and why this update is a big deal. Link to Windows isn't new. It has been around for years and comes pre-installed on many Android phones, especially Samsung devices. Until now, the app was very basic. You could only connect or disconnect your PC, and all advanced features were controlled from Windows using the Phone Link app. But that changes with Link to Windows version 1.25102.140.0. Microsoft has redesigned the Link to Windows app with a new interface and added powerful controls for managing your Windows 11 PC directly from your phone. The best part? You don't need Windows Insider or beta apps. This update is rolling out to everyone. If you're using a laptop, you can now see your PC's battery level directly on your Android phone. It refreshes almost every minute. You can also view your PC's network strength. While you can't control volume or Bluetooth yet, these features may arrive in future updates. There's a brand new recent activities section inside the app. Here you'll see, files sent from phone to PC. Files sent from PC to phone. Synced clipboard items. Recent interactions between devices. Everything stays organized in one place. One of the most useful features is Remote PC Lock. With a single tap on Lock PC, your Android phone can lock your Windows 11 computer in under 3 seconds. Microsoft warns that the devices will disconnect, but once you unlock your PC, it automatically reconnects. Perfect if you forget to lock your PC while away. Earlier, you could send files from PC to phone, but now it works both ways. You can send images, send documents, capture a photo and send instantly. Just tap Send Files, select the file, and it transfers wirelessly. In testing, a 3 MB image transferred in under a minute on fast internet. Windows 11 shows a File Received notification with options to open or locate the file. Sending files from PC to phone still works the same, right-click a file sent to phone. What's new? Files received from PC now appear clearly on the Link to Windows home screen, making them easier to find. This update introduces cross-device clipboard syncing. Anything you copy on Windows 11, text or images, automatically syncs to your Android phone. You can paste screenshots. Share clipboard items to WhatsApp or Telegram. Delete synced clipboard content. No special keyboard like SwiftKey is required. To enable it, Windows settings Bluetooth and devices mobile devices enable cross-device copy and paste. Screen mirroring is now easier than ever. Instead of opening Phone Link on PC, you can simply tap Mirror to PC or Cast to PC directly from your Android phone. The experience is the same, but faster to start. Microsoft is also testing an expanded mode, allowing Android apps to take more screen space, especially apps with tablet layouts like WhatsApp. This update shows that Microsoft is moving away from a PC-only Phone Link experience. Now, Android phones can control and manage Windows features directly. Some Phone Link features, like photos, are even being shifted to File Explorer, making Windows more native and streamlined. Phone Link isn't going away, but it's definitely evolving. You can try all these new features using Link to Windows version 1.25102.140.0. Windows 11 24H2 or upcoming 25H2. If you found this video helpful, like the video. Subscribe for more Windows and AI updates. Comment below which feature impressed you the most. See you in the next one.